Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to channel Aya Indicator Forex and happy Eid. Sorry to be born and inner to all okay. This time we want to discuss Aya Daily, yes, multipair. Okay, this time we are accompanied by Mr. Ash. Welcome Mr. Ash.
Hello, what do we want to talk, bro?
Okay, just look at Mr. Ash's monitor. We will discuss Aya Daily, who walk one pair, open order several pairs, and look at the monitor to see the daily expert advisor settings. And this I've run with balance 1000. Take a look at the results of the expert advisor.
What strategy does this expert advisor use, bro?
Daily Scalper is an EA designed to capture the elastic nature of several pairs in the Forex market. Based on a solid and sophisticated grid approach with increasing lot sizes, based on market behavior of the last 5 years and programmed by professional coders, this bot will trade strictly following the main trends. This is not a popular network EA. Certain conditions on the daily chart need to be verified before starting to trade.
For expert daily scalper recommendations, anything, bro?
Okay, Mr. Ash, for recommendations from Aya Daily Scalper Broker. Any ECN account with low spreads and low commissions. My Best. Forex Chief, IC Markets, Admiral Markets and RoboForex. Alternatives. Vantage FX, XM. Think Markets for best performance. Run on dedicated account on PC, VPS with low latency to broker server. Minimum deposit $1,000 or equivalent in other currency. Leverage min 1 to 100, 1 to 500 recommended.
Oh, bro, any features in E?
Feature. Multicurrency EA. Attached to only one chart, EUR/USDD1. To trade all supported symbols. Multiple use. Single chart mode for multi-currency trading and auto setup. Multi-chart mode for your custom strategy. 5 years of solid backtest and live certified account performance. News filters. News filter settings. Enable news filter. True to enable. False to disable. Time zone GMT. Broker. Your broker's server is the GMT offset. Stop trading before the news. In minutes. Restart trading after the news. In minutes. For general settings. Magic number. Order identifier. Set trade comments. Maximum spread in points. Symbol mode. Multicurrency mode or single pair. Risk setting mode. Custom or automatic risk preset. Risk preset. Only if risk setting mode equals use automatic risk preset, in percentage. If reached, the specialist will close all positions for money management settings only if custom risk settings. Lot size method. Auto lot or fixed balance to 0.01 only for auto lot size mode. Initial size 4. Only for FFXEDLOT size mode. Equity stop loss, in percentage. If reached, the specialist will close all positions. Next parameters are only valid for multi-chart mode. RSI settings. RSI. TF timeframe to be used for the RSI indicator. RSI period. Set the RSI period. RSIOs, OB level. Oversold and overbought. RSI levels. Oversold equals this value. Overbought equals 100 this value. Trend setting. Trend time frame. Set the time frame to set the main trend moving average period. Set the period of the main trend of the moving average. Distance between trades. Set the minimum distance in pips before the next trade. Target setting. Target profit for one trade. Profit in pips for one trade. Target profit for many trades. Profit in pips if many trades.
Opera, how to install, bro?
The EA should be attached only to the EUR/USDD1 chart in single chart, multi-currency mode. Allow web requests in MT5 settings to the following URL to activate the news filter. https://solcal2.forexrostools.com/
Opera, very clear explanation how, bro, to get an expert advisor daily scalper.
Okay, Mr. Ash, please subscribe and join Level 1. I share files in my YouTube community at Join Level 1.
Oh bro, I will subscribe and join level 1 to get the daily Scalper Expert Advisor. I have also seen on the screen the results of the Performance Expert Daily Scalper.
Okay, thanks Mr. Ash, and I thank you for subscribing and joining at Level 1. The more people who join us, the more enthusiastic we will be to make videos and provide EA files or indicators.
Ok, me too, thanks bro.
Okay, thanks for everything and thank you for subscribing and joining. To subscribe at Level 1 or above. Greetings, Prophet. Wassalamu alaikum.
Nice.